Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Walkthrough Wednesday. It's been a couple weeks since I recorded anything. Good reasons for that. One, I ran out of things to record. But today, we just got in a brand new ATC. So we're going to go out. A little rainy, but I'm going to get out there and record that for you anyway. This is a special order one, so I wanted to get it recorded right away. We'll roll the intro and we'll get right into it.
Hear what I say. From the bedroom to the kitchen, all the nooks and crannies. Tune in every Wednesday, it'll be amazing. Walk through Wednesday, come take a tour. Check every feature and you want more. Walk through Wednesday, hit the road with it. Tune in every Wednesday, it'll be
guys, so this one is the ATC 550, the 3214, 32-foot box, 14-foot garage. I think overall length is a lot longer than that. The customer ordered this in Silver Frost. Huge awning up there. We ordered this with the generator on it. Should have plenty of storage here, and you can actually access that storage from the side. Normally, if you had a toy when you were on the fuel station, your fuel station would be in there. This customer opted not to do that. Should have 2 lithium batteries in it. I believe we ordered this with 800 watts of solar, the bigger solar package on this one. So tons of room in there. Yep, dual batteries. This model is the only one they have that's got the bedroom slide. Can't wait till we go in and show you that. So more storage there, all pass through. Pretty standard outside. They do all come now with the water spigot, so you can hook a hose up there, able to wash your vehicles or whatever. You've got a smart jack, so it remembers your hitch height. Electric stab jacks. Here's the rear ones, there's the front ones where you can control those. We ordered this with the LifeTrack rail on the outside, so the customer could put tables or whatever from indoors and bring them out here and hook them up. And also, I failed to show you, he ordered the driver's side awning, the roadside awning. Delivery driver parked this thing right on top of this Class A, but we do have an awning there with outdoor lights too. So I can't wait to get this pulled up and take a look at what that looks like with the awnings open on both sides. It should look spectacular. We ordered the deck package, ordered the awning on the rail, or on the rail, awning on the rear. I seen inside, well, we'll just go in there. I seen inside we got the deck railing package. I don't recall us ordering that, but it's on there. I was thinking this customer didn't want or didn't care to have this deck railing, but it's there. Got the couches up above, and I'm gonna have to do some checking because it doesn't have the bed up there, and I'm fairly certain we had to order the bed to get the couches, but we'll take a look at that and see what's going on with that. Tons of cabinets up here. You got the drop down shelf over there. He ordered the sage green cabinets. What do you think of those? I'm not a fan of the green myself. I've ordered a few with the blue, and I kind of like the blue, but the sage green isn't too bad, really. Adjustable shelves. Tons of cabinet space. I don't think we ordered anything extra for cabinets. This is just what it automatically comes with. Up here is going to be all your electrical. So you got all your electrical controls there. There's your 12-volt on-off switch. You got fuses and breakers in here. Oh, those are your breakers. Yeah, fuses right up the top. Looking right at them and didn't even notice them. Huge refrigerator in this one. Very good size refrigerator. Nice sink. Big sink actually. All solid surface countertops. ATC is really coming up with what they're doing. There's some rumors of things coming which I can't discuss, but they're really stepping it up. There's Wi-Fi. You've got GFI outlet there, GFI outlet here. You got USB there, 32-inch 12-volt 12-volt TV. You got table over here. The chairs are there for it with the rest of the deck package. It looks like there's extra. Oh, we did order a table, so there's an extra table there that he can put kind of here or over wherever he wants. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Should be very similar to all the other bathrooms in this type. Let's come over here. Lighting. Bathroom. Turn it all on. Wow, I had a lot of lights that weren't on. So now we got lights up underneath here on. You got access lighting down below here on. Tons more lighting in here. That really brightened it up. Some of these lightings I didn't even know they had. Bathroom accent, so you've got underneath the counter there. Nice sage green on that as well. And those lower cabinets. Let's see. Max air vent fan control. Good size showers. Medicine cabinet, not too bad. You can put taller stuff over here. A lot of room for medicine bottles and such. You can put other toiletries up here, or some towels or what have you. And in the bedroom, got a dresser, and I love this slide. Just love it. And look at underneath this. So underneath the bed, that's all aluminum, of course. Look at the storage in that. Wow, that's a ton of storage. Oh, you got two nightstands. On this side, you've got two drawers. A little stand up here to put your cell phone. That's solid surface. USB. You've got a little night light in blue, and you hit it again, you've got a reading light. We've got hanging storage there. You can probably put a bin or two of stuff down at the bottom here too. That'd be a good coat closet for me. Let's see. I'm not a fan of all these mirrored. Okay, I shut that off for a minute. Look how thick these are. These doors are super thick. Wow. Nice storage there. Huge closet, man. Huge closet. It's way back in. And of course, I could close this one and then come over and reopen this one on this side. And they got a little latch here, a little button there to push to open that latch up. That's going to be the same. You got a lot of drawers underneath there. If I move this mattress a tad bit, you've got another nightstand over here, two more drawers underneath there. I'm sure the customer will probably put their own mattress in, because we all know these things don't come with very good mattresses. Let's close the bathroom door. And pop that. And again, nice real thick door. And that's gonna, oh, I've got that in the wrong direction. And that door will latch shut there. Let's get that latch back up here for driving mode. It's a pretty cool unit. I really like, there's another one, this is the 3214. We've got a 3217, so it's a little bit longer, 3 foot longer garage, but this customer chose this one because of the bedroom slide. I mean, that really, you've got that slide open, and that really opens up in here more room. Gives you a big dresser. Let's take a look at what it looks like with the slide pulled back in. Got a Gree air conditioner in here. I believe there's 2 more. Let's take a look here. So there's, excuse me. So you got slide in there. So no room to get back to the closet, but that's okay. So road mode. When you're looking at road mode on this, you come in, you've got access to the bathroom right away. You got access to the bed right away. Since there's no slides out here, you have access to the refrigerator. So guys, unless you've got a toy that's coming in here and up to the refrigerator, you can access anything. Okay, so I come and looked at this. So in here in the bedroom, you got a manual switch up on the wall there. Little push button switch to run the bed slide, but I can run it here as well. So then I can hit awnings. And let's see here. So this one will run this awning out here, which is a huge, huge awning. Let's pull that. I'll pull that back in. If I hit the right button, I'll pull it back in. Kind of a rainy day, so I don't want to pull them out. So there should be a switch. This is my first time in this one. So you got USB over there. This is for the rear awning and the lights on the rear awning. Let me see how I pull out the roadside awning. Let's see. There's bed lift, there's light switches. I'm imagining they probably have not got this programmed for the other awning. I don't see any switches over here. There may be one on the outside. I'll take a look at that. I'll run in, I'll look at that first, and then if I find that, I'll show you that. But I'm also going to run in and get you some numbers on this. Alrighty, so I'm told that that driver's side awning, that's going to have to be programmed in the Firefly system. The factory forgot to program that one. They're probably not used to putting those on. Alrighty, so this is the 2027 Play 550, the 3214. Total length from the very front to the very back, 38 foot. Height are 11'6", width 8'6". Internal height is 7'6", 14-foot garage. The garage width is 96 inches. Garage height is 90 inches. Got a dry weight of 9,340 pounds. GVWR of 13,200. You got 3,860 pounds of cargo capacity. 1,500 pound tongue weight on it. It is a torsion rod suspension. No auto level. It does have manual stab jacks on it. Or excuse me, powered stabilizer jacks. 2 6,000 pound axles. The freshwater tank on this one is 100 gallons. So lots of fresh water. 45 gray, 45 black. 6 gallon hot water heater. 25,000 BTU furnace. 2 15K the Gree ACs. I think Gree, Cree, I can't remember the name of those. Both of those have heat pumps in them. 50 amp trailer. We ordered this one with 400 watts of solar, 2,000 watt inverter, 6K generator. Both awnings are 25 foot long. That is a Furrion refrigerator, which is a 12 volt, 10 cubic foot. Queen bed in it, is heated and enclosed underbelly. Not only that, but ATC also wraps the pipes coming from the fresh water up into the coach. So even though it's enclosed underneath there, those are still wrapped with like a heat tape. If you guys have ever had a mobile home, they put heat tape on there to keep the pipes from freezing. That's what ATC does with their pipes in these units too, to help winterize it better. It does have tank heaters. This one you'll sleep probably 4. You can put 2 on the bed in the bedroom and 2 on the Happy Jack beds, the sofas that fold out. This is riding on 235 80/16 tires, 10 plies. And it is prepped for backup camera. Does have a slide topper on top of that bedroom slide. And no outdoor kitchen. These things come with a 1-year bumper to bumper warranty, 10-year structure warranty, and lifetime on the roof, since the roof is all aluminum. Price wise on this, MSRP on this one is, I've got it listed on my spreadsheet at $159, but I know we changed something with the bed on that. I think it was $163,000 MSRP. It could be varied. I mean, we special ordered this one, so that's just what the MSRP is on this particular model. Guys, give me a call. We can order one for you, get you priced on that. Of course, you're never going to pay MSRP. Sale price on this one, we're looking at $135,000 on this particular unit, and the customer didn't even pay that. That's just the advertised sale price that I can give you, since this is 2027. As always, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. My direct line here is 319-893-4014. My email address, rkolosik@atcrvcenter.com. If you're ever in the Cedar Rapids, Iowa area, you can stop by and see us, 850 66th Avenue, Southwest, Cedar Rapids, 52404. And again, guys, happy camping. We'll see you on the next one.
Dreams will be bestowed. Morning sun, our travel guide. City lights where we reside. Every turn's a joy.